Oh, I saw your question in the email. You got a campus parking lot laid out in this manner. You got 720 feet of fencing to put around it. And I guess this side's next to the road. You're not going to fence that side, just the three sides. Let X represents the length of the two parallel sides. So if you have X here and you have X here, if you don't use total 720 feet of fence, so how much would you have remaining here? It'd be 720 minus these two x's. And I guess that's the answer, to this part here. A. Part B, I said, what are the restrictions on x? I guess it has to be somewhere between 0 and 360. You can't, it's got to be greater than 0, but, you don't have two of these, so 720 divided by 2, it has to be less than 360. Part C, you want to find a function that represents the area, where area is length times width. And so width is x, and this is the length, so that product, would be answer part C. And then I'll let you continue these other two parts. Hope this helps you get started.